Hello everyone. Today I am discussing with you about the morphology of the plant. If you observe a plant, you can able to see only the upper portion of the plant, that is the shoot, branches and leaves. You can't able to see the lower portion of the plant, that is the root. Without a root, a plant can't able to sustain. A plant can't able to grow because the root is the provider of water and minerals to the plant. That is, root supplies water and minerals to the upper portion of the plant. So, how a root gets developed? Root develops from the radicle. Here in this picture, this is the germinating seed. You can observe a cotyledon. Here there is endosperm, seed coat, and here you can observe the growing radicle. This radicle grows into top root system in dicots, and from the top root you will observe the formation of the lateral roots. So here between the epicotyle and radicle there is hypocotyle. Hypocotyle is the region of the seed which connects the upper stem and lower root. That is, root develops from the radicle of the seed, whereas shoot develops from the epicotyle of the seed. Plumule is the axillary region of the growing shoot. Okay, so here in this picture you can observe the germinating seed. Okay, here the root, when we learn about the root, root grows positively geographic towards the beneath the soil, whereas stem grows positively phototropic towards the sunlight. Okay, stem shows nodes and internodes. Here in this picture you can observe nodes and internode. Between two nodes there is a region known as internode. At the place of the nodes there will be buds. These buds develop into leaves. So there are axillary buds and terminal buds. Here you can observe a terminal bud scare in the stem region. Okay, axillary buds grows into branches. Coming to the adventitious root system in monocots, which develops from other than the root radicle, such as the leaves and stems. Adventitious root system develops from the tissues other than the radicle, such as leaves and stem. Okay, coming to the leaf. Leaf is dorsi-ventrally flattened, green in nature and shows venation. In this picture you can observe a leaf. A leaf shows a stalk known as petiole. This petiole attached to the stem region, and at the attachment place where the stalk attaches to the stem there is stipule. Okay, so here you can observe a midrib. Okay, this petiole extends to leaf in the form of midrib. Midrib shows the veins and vein shows the venules. There is tip region for the leaf and there is base region for the leaf. Between the tip region and base region there is leaf blade or lamina. Okay, so the leaf is green in color, which is helpful in photosynthesis, whereas roots are brown in color, which actually transports water and minerals to the stem portion of the plant. If you observe a taproot in a dicot plant, it shows primary roots and secondary roots and tertiary roots. Okay, so this taproot shows root cap known as calyptra. Okay, coming to the development of the lateral roots in root system. The root system shows acropetal succession development in lateral root formation. This acropetal succession can be seen even in inflorescence development. The whorled flowers lies below the stalk, whereas growing region shows the newly formed flowers. Like that, in taproot system, the development of the lateral roots at the top of the root system, there is development of the old roots, whereas at the bottom of the root system, there is development of the new roots. So, root system grows positively towards the beneath the soil. So, here this is about the external morphology of the plants. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you need any lessons, please comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.